Today we are going to talk about food contamination issue uh, at Tim Hortons. So, firstly, I would like to give a brief introduction to the organization. So, Tim Hortons is a re-owned Canadian multinational fast food restaurant, which was found in 1964 by a Canadian hockey player named Tim Hortons. The brand was originally established in Hamilton, and they became very famous very quickly because of their freshly brewed coffee and their baked goods. Over the years, their menu has seen a drastic change. They have introduced so many new food items such as lunch, breakfast items, soups, and a lot of baked goods. In 2014, Tim Hortons joined Burger King, and they together formed Restaurant Brand Internationals, which is also known as RBI. Next slide, please. So the operational challenge which we are going to talk about is the contamination in the food. So in 20th of October in 2022, there was a case where CFIA, which is Canadian Food Inspection Agency, they conducted a recall because there were some cases of people finding bugs and insect parts in the chicken noodle soup, which is sold at Tim Hortons. This issue was mainly uh, it was only in a few parts of southern Ontario and Alberta. With an interview with CBC, Tim Hortons said that they became aware of this issue, and so the recalls were done. The products, the stores which were provided with that chicken noodle soup were told to return the product or either throw the product. It was mainly the product which was having the best before date of March to April 2023 was contaminated. Next slide, please. So here we have three technical solutions which can help us prevent these kind of incidents. So the first solution will be SoloCity. It's a software. It basically digitizes standard operating procedures, schedules, and conducts quality control checks. So it basically conducts quality checks time to time just to make sure that everything that is going into the production of any product is as per as the requirement of uh, as per as the regulations, and the quality is always to the point. It manages suppliers relationships, ensures traceability throughout production. So throughout production, anything that goes into the production, we can trace it, and we can check if anything is wrong with anything in the procedure, and it provides alert for any contamination risks. So the question is how it is going to help us solve this problem. So the answer is it can help us prevent contamination in food processing by providing us tools which can help us in managing the quality compliance, and it will provide us the throughout traceability of the procedure. It can ensure that all the procedures are as per as to the standards and strictly as per as to the regulations. We can track the ingredients from the suppliers to finished products, and we can address any sort of potential risk of any kind of contamination or anything that goes wrong. We can find out. Next slide, please. So the next solution we have is UniPoint. It's also software. It basically manages various aspects of quality, and it looks into it, and it provides us with a tailored, a very custom uh, solution for that. So it has basically features like document control, auditing. We can conduct timely audits, compliance management. It ensures adherence to food safety procedures and food safety regulations. So the next one is total lean management, which is also known as TLM software. It works by integrating various modules to track and monitor every stage of product. So at any point of the operation, start to beginning, let's say from if it's starting from a raw material until it's distributed to the desired store, it utilizes all the data. It performs data analysis and automation to enhance the traceability, the quality measures, the quality controls of the product. It provides real-time monitoring. We can check what's going on with the production at any point of time, and supplier management and documentation. So it can help us with the issue by providing traceability of the ingredients, anything that is going into the product. Into it can we can get integrated quality control measures, ensuring compliance with regulations. It can help us managing suppliers effectively and automating documentation. So the software basically reduces the risk of contamination throughout the production process. So if there's contamination at any point from starting to beginning, it will help us to reduce the risk. Now, Gurdeep will continue from the next part.
Hi, Professor. My name is Gurdeep Singh. So, first of all, I'll talk about the cost of Isolocity software. So, if the manufacturer is a full user, so it will cost $199 per month. For production user, it will cost $29 per month. It has no activation fees, and the standard operating procedures are also free. So, it's kind of quite a handy software. If I talk about the return of investment, so I'm taking here is a turnover of $10,000 per month. If the investment is 99 $199 per month, so it will for the 12 month it will be $2,388. So the ROI will be 3.18 or $318. Resultant benefits of ROI is that it offers free standard operating procedures, and also, as Govind told, that it will be easy to detect full traceability and inventory management of the product. So what raw materials we are using, how much the wastage is, and just to regulate all the components of the manufacturing. It also depicts the presence of any foreign particles in the product, whether it is packaged product, its final product, or it's still the raw material. And it also has full data storage from inventory documents and track all the operations of the manufacturing. The next one is Unipoint. Unipoint cost annually $6,000. The initial investment will be $6,000 of the software. If I'm taking turnover of 1,200K dollars per year, it will give us an ROI of $19,900. Talking about result and benefits of Unipoint, Unipoint tracks all the records of recall and traceability. So we will know that at what time the product has been recalled, or the product is needs to be recalled or not. And it has also all the information of traceability from production to distribution and storage, and it is easy to use. In less time, the employees can use the software very easily, and it is easy to learn. Also, manufacturer can predict the temperature and humidity within the product. So the final product we can able to know the temperature and humidity, so that will result in birth of different bacteria and bugs. and it is also easy to track the product during supply chain system with Unipoint. The last one is TLM, Total Lean Management Quality Management System. The starting price is $75 per month and installation fee is $5,000. It is a one-time investment of installation fee, $5,000. Uh, Here I took the turner of $150. So per $150 with the investment of $75 per month, we will getting a $2 return of investment with total lean management system software. Result and benefits of TLM is that we will be able to track information about acts and finding and trends according to the manufacturing and packaging. It also recommend the ISO, International Organization of Standardizations. So as we know that there are different ISO certifications that is required for a company to manufacture their product, package their product, and to label their product. So it also recommend that what ISO standards we have to follow regarding manufacturing, packaging, distributing, and transportation. It also improve the quality of the product and assures that the packaging is according to the regulations of the government, which government associations, which regulates all the food product consumed by the customers.